Introduction to Online Identity Monitoring.
Protecting your online identity is crucial in today's digital world. With growing threats like identity theft and data breaches, staying informed is more important than ever. AI-powered alert services can help you monitor your personal information and receive notifications if your data appears in risky places online. Let's explore how these technologies work and how you can set up effective protection.
How AI-powered alert services work.
AI-powered alert services scan the web for unauthorized use of your personal data. These tools use artificial intelligence to search public websites, social media, and dark web marketplaces for information like your name, email address, or passwords. If any suspicious activity is detected, you receive an instant alert, making it easier to take action quickly and minimize potential damage.
Setting up automated alerts.
Getting started with AI alert services is simple. First, choose a reputable identity monitoring provider. Then, create an account and enter the personal information you want monitored, such as email addresses or financial details. Adjust your alert settings to receive notifications via email, text, or app. These alerts let you respond quickly to any signs of identity theft or data breaches.
Responding to alerts and taking action.
Prompt action is vital when you receive an alert. If you get notified about suspicious activity, verify whether the alert is legitimate. If it is, change affected passwords immediately. Report any fraudulent transactions to your bank and consider freezing your credit. AI-powered services often provide guidance on the next steps to help you restore and secure your online identity.
Tips for safer online practices.
AI alerts are just one part of staying safe online. Use strong, unique passwords for each account, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious about sharing personal information. Regularly update your devices and software to fix security vulnerabilities. By combining AI monitoring with smart habits, you can greatly reduce the risk of identity theft and keep your online identity secure.